So, as you can tell from the window behind me, it is pretty late, but we do have some very exciting news coming out of Apple just a couple of minutes ago. So unless you've been living under a rock, you are probably aware of the issues facing the butterfly keyboards on recent MacBooks. And we finally have some sense of progress as Apple has just announced a keyboard replacement service program for the MacBooks with butterfly keyboards. On their service and support website, we now have a keyboard service program for MacBook and MacBook Pro, which will pertain to MacBook and MacBook Pro models that exhibit the following behaviors: letters or characters repeating unexpectedly, letters or characters do not appear on the screen, or the keys feel sticky or do not respond in a consistent manner. So the third item on this list is the item that has gotten the most attention. Certainly for me personally, the physical keys becoming sticky and hard to press has been the most noticeable issue. I haven't really experienced the other two list items. So this program will allow affected users to go to the Apple Store and they will either replace specific keys that are affected or the entire top case and keyboard assembly to resolve the issue. As far as models that are eligible for these repairs, if you got a butterfly keyboard, you can get the repair. Every single model on the list is accepted. And you are eligible for repairs up to 4 years after the original purchase date of the computer, which is really good news because most of the MacBooks that have these butterfly keyboards are from 2016 or 17, so they're 2 years old or less. The oldest MacBooks that are affected are the original Retina MacBooks, like the one that I have, that just turned 3, so you still have another year of support if you have one of those machines. This is particularly good news as I have the 2016 MacBook Pro, which just went out of warranty earlier this year. So I was concerned that I might have to end up paying if the keyboard experiences issues, but those concerns are put to rest. So I do take issue with the way Apple handles some of their repair programs. So for example, you may be familiar with the 2011 MacBook Pro graphics card recall repair extension program. So for a couple years after the MacBook Pro was discovered to have faulty GPUs in the 2011, 15, and 17-inch models, Apple would replace your logic board if you experience this failure. So while this is great, the problem came in that Apple was replacing these faulty logic boards with the same exact logic board. They didn't actually revise them or make any changes to make the GPU not fail. My friend Noah from Pogo Coding and More, who's made several appearances on this channel, had his logic board replaced 3 times, I believe, because it just kept failing over and over. So I do worry that that is going to happen now again with these butterfly keyboards. So I do take some solace in the fact that you have 4 years, so you could just keep going in and getting new top cases replaced as often as the keyboard fails. And it's all on Apple's dime, so I guess you could definitely take advantage of that. However, should frequent trips to the Apple Store not be something that you are willing to partake in, I do have a video from a couple of days ago where I gave a little bit of a home remedy to how to relieve some of the sticky keys on these models. You can check out that video here. It's up there somewhere. So this keyboard replacement program is a great first step in dealing with this issue. However, it is only a first step. If Apple really wants to address this issue and satisfy its customers, they really need to take to heart and redesign the butterfly keyboard so that these issues don't happen. But overall, I am very happy that we are at a point where Apple is addressing this issue, at least in its primary stages, and I hope to see that redesign coming out soon. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. As usual, make sure to follow me on Twitter, @LukeMiani. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please consider joining my subreddit. And with that, I will see you guys in the next video.